This shovel is going to hit that tree. Ready?
Yeah. Don't beat the tree. What did it do to you?
My nipple is out.
She's fucking insane.
I want.
That hurt you. Come here. Wait, you hear that?
What was that?
What was it?
Goodbye, Rachel.
Take the shovel.
Damn you, Ice, I want you to blink.
That's Frozen.
Oh! What? Is there something behind me? I know. And I will use it on your punk ass.
My punk ass?
But I'm going to dig a hole now.
You can dig a hole in that ground.
Look at my booty. Look at my booty. Look at my booty and my ass crack.
She crazy. She crazy. Oh shit!
It is New Year's, and we are being bored.
Happy New Year to us. Happy New Year. Look at my boob.
Mine is coming out. Okay, I have to go in the water.
Your boob is coming out? What are we doing now? Can you see me in the window? Hi.
What up, though?
I was looking in the window, not you.
Whatever.
Oh! That Shawnee boy?
Yeah, I don't know if you get the shovel.
Drop it there. Nothing happened. We cool.
We're good. I can't open this door. I can't open the door.
Peek. Where's Mom at?
No, my hands are frozen.